blocked. Hi, Julia.
That's not. That's that.
Yes. Hey.
And then on that last one, hero. I think we got hero. Bam.
Oh, okay.
I needed that. Yep. But that's the same thing.
Why would you spill coffee on the toilet floor? I'm drinking it and not saying it.
The only time I ever take my coffee in there is if I'm tipping it down like the sink before I put it in the bin.
Maybe that's
Yeah, but down the sink's fine. But why is it in front of the toilet? I don't know.
Maybe someone had diarrhea.
Hey, Jill.
Hey, Lauren. How's it going?
It's going.
Okay.
Are we excited for opening night yet?
Yeah, kind of.
We're gonna have so much fun!
Yeah.
Good show! Good show! Two good shows!
Today we have our first detective.
ASMR.
What?
ASMR.
What is that? I don't know what that means.
ASMR, that's why you speak like really
Our
softly.
first Effectors tech run. Tonight we'll be debuting our first show. See you there.
See you there.
Yay! Woo! Dun, dun, dun. Woo! It's a bugger. Say hey. Oh.
Sorry.
Hey.
Give me out. Oh, you sick. Yeah, we're gonna get some food.
Sloppies is open. Is it
Ooh,
Cheetos?
sloppies are
Oh, I love
fun.
sloppy. There's no Cheetos, but there's something.
This is the map.
You always ask me about like everyone.
Cabin, I just picked up my laundry because I did it earlier today, and now I'm going to just fold my clothes, put on my new bed sheets, fold my towels, and then take a little nap before the shows tonight. So let's get it done.
Straight in my belly.
Yeah, oh my gosh, look at the sun. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Who's ready for opening night? Woo! Hey! You guys excited?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, everyone's done their makeup already. Okay. As you can see, I have not. Oh! They're like little piggies! Oh my goodness! This is so cute.
Please don't. Here's the thing. You say it as a joke, and then calls on that.
Hey, Annie. Makeup looks gorgeous.
Thank you.
Hey, Loom. This is Loom.
Running away.
Hey. Hey, Pixel.
Oh,
Technically, we're all Pixel.
It's a school stat.
This is the onstage warm-up crew. Yay.
Is this another vlog?
Yes.
What did you say? Odyssey warm-up crew?
I said onstage warm-up crew.
You said Odyssey and I was like,
Oh,
what are you
Odyssey?
opening?
Hell no. This is
Sucker.
Spectrum.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
God, you guys are so nice.
Hey, these are our installers.
Yes,
I'm doing a vlog of opening night. Yeah. Hey guys, we're ready. How you feeling?
Ask me after the show.
Oh my god, guys, Crash is here. Get
Crash is
scared.
here. Can't even see him.
Can't even, yeah, exactly.
Yes, we did it, guys.
We did it.
We did.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's truly a great
We're done.
At the front, we're like dying. We got our power seats whenever we look between
on the
us.
high seas. I can tell you.
show number 2. Let's go. Mwah. Let's go, guys. Woo.
Okay, so I have a little secret to tell the vlog. So opening night,
Where's your mom and sister?
Jill's blackjacks weren't working, and it's because she forgot her armband.
It's not because of that, but this is the costumer speaking, so whatever. She's amazing. Check her out. Yeah. Mwah. Hey.
We did it!
It's a toast for today. Congratulations, we made it. It's so unbelievable. We made it for after 2 months almost, continuously showgirl and now Effectors. Today I was all the time walking around just in case, you know, if we have some issue happening.
And that's a wrap. We completed our opening night for Effectors. We partied, we celebrated, and now it's time to head to bed because I am extremely tired. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what videos you'd like to see next. And I can't wait to see you next time. Hope you have an amazing day. Bye. I love you. Mwah.